Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show how to make a working dash system in Roblox Studio. Let's get started. First, select the character with the animation. After you did that, you need to select these three dots in the corner and publish the animation. Copy the animation and after that, make a script in Starter Player script. Paste the script down in the comment section below. Change the animation and over here to your own animation and if you want to, you can change the speed and the duration in the script. That's all for this video. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.